Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Ishan Farooq and you are watching Tech Stack. Today we are going to learn about how to download and install Dev C++. So just open it. Dev C++ is a compiler for C++ or C language. So just download this. It's not a very large software but not a very small. So it's of 70.7 MB software. So it will take a very small time. Till then I'm going to pause the video. So now you can see it's completed. So if you see this option, click on keep and wait for its completion. When you will see the icon of the dev C++ here, it will be completed then, and now you can see it's completed. So just open it to install. Close this window. Okay. It will take some time to open the installation box. Now here you can see we have this option. Click on here. Okay, or click on yes. Now you can see it's unpacking the data. We will wait it. It's near to complete. And the proper installation will be started now. So now just click on OK and click on agree. Next, install, and now wait patiently. It will be installed shortly. I'm going to pause. Now here you can see it's near to complete. So now you can see, click on finish. So it is successfully installed. You can see the icon here. Double click on it to open it. You can do C++ programming in it or simple C language. So click on next and OK. So you can see it is here. Click file, new and source file. Here you can write your C++ program. Hash include iostream, and here you will add namespace, semicolon, and write int main return 0. Cout welcome to Tech Stack. So now we are going to execute this. We will compile it first and we will check if there is any error. So before compiling we should have to save it first program, click on save. Now execute. Click on run. Here you can see it's welcome to TechStack. That's it. It's working very perfectly. Thank you very much. Hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.